Mr. Moto Noodle here. Right, so on the previous video I showed you how to remove the swing arm bearings from a Sportster swing arm, and then on this video I'm going to show you how to install the bearings. So this is the bearing, so it swivels in the middle, it's got a circlip on the outside. Right, so the way this goes in from the outside of the swing arm with the circlip on the outside, and this needs to be pressed into the swing arm until the circlip reaches the bottom of this recess. So first thing we're going to do is grease up the bearing and the recess, the bore that is going to go into. So a bit of grease on the outside here, smear on, smear some inside the bore. There you go. Right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the vise to press it in. So we're going to use the socket again, and the socket's going to sit on the bearing like this, and the jaw of the vise will push the assembly into the swing arm. So I'm lining it up now. You have to carefully try and keep it square as you push it in. Now what can happen is as the bearing's going in, it can go out square. But actually in this case it's going in really well. So there you go, that's nice, that is. So what you need to do is just push it until you feel it bottom out. Now, to confirm that it's bottom out, what you do is you use this pick, and let me show you on this one. So when that circlip is on the bearing, as on the bearing, to check whether this circlip is bottomed out in the bore, just try pushing the circlip round like this. So if there's resistance and it won't turn, then it's touching the bottom of the bore. So almost there, and that's it. I can feel there's no more movement. So I'm going to try moving the circlip. There you go, no movement there. So job done.